Following a refresh of the vehicle in October, Tesla Incorporated will raise the price of its Model Y variants in China, making yet another adjustment to pricing in the largest and most competitive electric vehicle market in the world. The timing of the adjustment has not been determined. On October 27, Tesla raised the price of its performance version. Hello, and welcome to Hypino, where we bring you the latest news briefings and analysis on EVs to keep you informed. This hour in focus, we are exploring Tesla Model Y increase. But before we proceed, please kindly like and subscribe to this channel by clicking the bell notification feature below to help you too learn of your preferences and to receive notifications each time new videos are uploaded on this channel. Let's get started. A Tesla spokesman located in China informed Bloomberg News that other Model Y variants will also have pricing adjustments following the performance version's October 27 price rise. However, the exact date of these modifications has not yet been determined. When sales growth slowed a year ago, Tesla initiated a pricing war in China by reducing the price of its electric vehicles, EVs. This prompted many other companies in the market to follow suit. It has also lately made some upward changes, such as the 14,000 yuan, $1,920 price hike for the performance Model Y variation last month. One of the most popular EVs in China is the Model Y. On October 1st, the revised edition went live. A redesigned wheel design, improved finishing, and alternative ambient lighting are among the new features. Of about 300 miles and a 4.2-second 0 to 16th pace. He improved his vehicle with an acceleration boost that he obtained through the referral program, which is typically worth $3,000. The owner expresses satisfaction with the Model Y sports car acceleration and respectable range, mentioning that he loves the quick torque that makes passing and merging on the highway easy. In addition, he liked the electric crossover's easy handling and driving experience. He is not bothered by the rough ride quality of the Model Y, despite the fact that many owners and critics have criticized the car for having a stiff suspension. But one likely contributing factor is that Ryan's Model Y is equipped with the tiniest wheels available, measuring 19 inches in diameter. Many of the best features of the Model Y are highlighted in this 29-minute film, such as its incredibly useful and roomy cabin, its software updates that make it better every time, its quick user interface, its one-pedal driving capability, and more. However, has anything gone wrong with ownership or in a year? Although Ryan has a few grievances, they don't seem like big issues in the big picture. Although he is pleased with the construction quality of the vehicle, he did detect two irksome rattles, one coming from the passenger side B-pillar and the other from the rear-view mirror. Thankfully, both of these have been fixed under warranty. Furthermore, he finds the voice command option and automatic windshield wipers to be unreliable, so he doesn't really like them. Additionally, he finds the wireless phone charger unpleasant because it constantly causes the phone to overheat. Ryan's Model Y also features SSD beta, but considering how many fundamental errors the system still makes, he wouldn't recommend others to spend money on this option just yet. All things considered, this owner is pleased with his decision and claims that the Model Y is the perfect EV for him. He claims that despite having driven numerous different EVs, including models from Tesla and its competitors, none of them provide a comprehensive package like the Model Y in September. There were almost 288,000 plug-in cars registered in Europe, representing a 15% YoY increase. Unfortunately, as the market as a whole is now rebounding from a few rough years, it also expanded by double digits, or plus 11%. 25% of all European auto sales last month were plug-in vehicles, with 17% being full electric or BEVs. As a result, the 2023 plug-in vehicle share of 23%, or 16% for BEVs alone, stayed unchanged. BEVs accounted for the majority of the growth in plug-in vehicles, rising 18% YoY, while PHEVs saw only 8% growth. This can also be seen in the sales breakdown of BEVs against PHEVs, where in September, pure electrics accounted for 68% of all plug-in sales, compared to an average of 67% in 2023. The Tesla Model Y sold 4 times as many units as the MG4, which came in second. This was the month's high point. In addition, the Peugeot e-208 recorded a record 6,582 units, which helped it finish the month in fifth place. Let us examine the top 5 plugins for September in more detail. For the 11th consecutive month, Tesla's crossover was the best-selling electric vehicle, EV, in Europe. Given that the number 2 model only sold 1/4 as many units, it is difficult to imagine anyone challenging the Model Y's hegemony in the market. The midsizer saw 34,378 registrations in September. In Europe, though, this year might be regarded as peak Model E. I'm convinced that the Model I has already hit the natural boundaries of the market, so I don't expect sales to expand much beyond current levels. However, the mid-sized crossover should continue to achieve comparable results in the upcoming quarters in Europe. The updated Tesla Model 3, which may take some of its sales, even though Europeans aren't particularly into sedans these days, will also be a hindrance to its progress. In terms of the Model Y's performance from the previous month, the largest European markets were France, 5,035 units, the UK, 4,035 units, and Germany, 3,921 units. However, other nations also reported impressive sales, including Sweden, 3,050 units, Norway, 2,476, Denmark, 2,389, and the Netherlands, 1,789, demonstrating the Model I's appeal in the Benelux and Scandinavia regions. Thanks to 7,501 registrations, the Dragon Slayer hatchback is living up to SAIC's highest aspirations and making another podium appearance. With nearly unrivaled value for money and the minor distinction of being €10,000 less expensive than its closest rivals, the VW ID3 and Renault Megane EV, the Sino-British model is quickly rising to prominence in Europe's compact hatchback class, a class that was once typified by vehicles like the VW Golf, Skoda Octavia, and Opel Astra. Rewinding to the MG4 September performance, the UK, 3,120 registrations, France, 1,945 registrations, and Sweden, 451 registrations were its top 3 markets. Thanks for your time.